It is raining hard. It is raining hard. I hear raindrops outside. I hear raindrops outside. I look through the window. I look through the window. The street is wet. The street is wet. I need to go out. I need to go out. I take my umbrella. I take my umbrella. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I open the front door. I open the front door. Cold air touches my face. Cold air touches my face. I open my umbrella. I open my umbrella. I walk down the street. I walk down the street. Rain falls on my umbrella. Rain falls on my umbrella. I jump over a puddle. I jump over a puddle. Another puddle is bigger. Another puddle is bigger. My foot lands in water. My foot lands in water. My sock gets wet. My sock gets wet. I make a funny face. I make a funny face. I keep walking anyway. I keep walking anyway. Thunder rumbles above. Thunder rumbles above. I walk a little faster. I walk a little faster. I see a small cafe. I see a small cafe. I go inside quickly. I go inside quickly. The cafe feels warm. The cafe feels warm. I order hot chocolate. I order hot chocolate. Steam rises from the cup. Steam rises from the cup. I watch the rain outside. I watch the rain outside. The rain becomes lighter. The rain becomes lighter. I leave the cafe. I leave the cafe. A rainbow appears. A rainbow appears. I smile and go home. I smile and go home. I walk around a puddle. I walk around a puddle. Water runs along the road. Water runs along the road. The leaves are wet. The leaves are wet. Drops fall from the tree. Drops fall from the tree. I see my reflection. I see my reflection. The puddle looks like a mirror. The puddle looks like a mirror. The birds come back. The birds come back. The clouds move away. The clouds move away. I close my umbrella. I close my umbrella. The air feels fresh. The air feels fresh.
Great job! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.